Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify purchases. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify purchases, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this page of app and for we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.